My name is Tor Levinson. I'm a Tableau Jedi from Norway. And in this Tiny Tableau tip series, I'm going to continue something that I've shared before with some undocumented functions in Tableau. I've used random, as you can see in this view, where we are using random to generate a value between 0 and 1, just to spread out the data or the dots in this view, combined with index. But there are a whole bunch of other unknown or undocumented functions in Tableau. All the ones you can see in blue are working and functional. The yellow ones are duplicates of existing functions that you might know from before. The red ones, not sure why they even are on this list, but they will break your Tableau if you use them, so don't. But let's have a look at greatest first. If we're looking at delivery mode by first class, same days, second class, etc., and I'm now just putting in my measures into the view, and I would like to figure out which one is the largest of these values. Of course, maybe this is not a good example because this counts as in percentages and sales might be the biggest regardless. But let's create a calculated field and find the biggest value. And if I do that, normally we would be using the max function. And if we do max, I can put in max of these two, just drag them in here. Tableau adds the comma, and then I say apply, and I put in the biggest value in my view. We see that that is 49,000, so that is the profit. But what if I also would like to add in quantities in here? Max only allows 2 expressions. So then I need to do a max of this first expression, comma, and then put in my quantities, and then a parenthesis, say apply. We see that the value, the profit is still bigger than the quantity. And then I need to add in sales or even more stuff. And that's a problem because then I need to nest these max statements inside of each other. So what if we rather do greatest? You see that greatest like this. It is supported by Tableau, but it is not in the documentation if we have a look on the right-hand side. But the benefit of greatest is that when I select all of these, I can drag all of them down in here. And you see that the calculation is valid. It's now testing all my 4 measures at the same time. I click apply, and I see now that the biggest value is, as expected, the sales. Let's have a look at another one, like. So we're looking at the first class, same day, the same delivery modes as before. And then I'm going to find class or not. So I can do the contains. That is something that exists from before. Contains, it will find a string and a substring that needs to match like this. But the benefit of like is that it's the same kind of principle in here. We need to have a value in here or a dimension that we're going to test, but we can also put in a percentage, percentage in the way that it will find anything that matches something that has class in it like this. If I now say apply, I'm going to put class or not in there, and we see we get true for all of these, but false on the same day. If we want to turn it around and find the ones that do not have class in it, we just say not like, also supported, not documented. We see that the false and true are switching. So I hope you liked some of these undocumented features. Please try them on your own. Check out this link as well. And then you can see all of these undocumented hidden features in this workbook by Jovel Deutel. Like and subscribe. See you next time.